Leo, this is your channel messages for the 21st of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. We are going straight into your reading, Leo. So let's go. See what your overall message is. Your overall message is the King of Swords. So intelligence at its finest. We get to Libra, Aries, no lie. Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius you're dealing with. Somebody very cerebral, very intelligent, very analytical. It gives me a lawyer vibe. Someone who nothing goes back past this man. So we get to you're dealing with a highly intelligent and a highly educated male here. Okay, Leo? You could have Libra moon, Aquarius moon, or Gemini moon. Let's go. So ask your question, Leo. What is your question? What is your question? You ask it. We have the Seven of Wands. I'm getting a question. Not only are you asking for answers, you're praying for it. So prayer does work, Leo. You should know that. Prayer always works. Even if you are a devil worshipper, prayer works. God might grant your wish, though one time you pray since you always was worshipping Baphomet. So I'm getting the Seven of Wands coming out. Seven of Wands? Yeah, Seven of Wands coming out first. So I'm getting prayer about it. I'm sorry, I usually come here to give you answers. Me get the cards that tell me to tell you, say, me can't tell you what to do. You have to pray to God about it. Me getting after you pray to God about it, you're going to find the answers you seek. You have to pray. I'm sorry, this is not what I expected to tell you. What happens if you don't pray and ask for guidance for the answers you seek? What happens if you don't do it? Then you're going to give up. Then all of what this is, maybe you have studied to be something, you're going to be in vain. Ten of Swords. Me getting then is going to be ultimate defeat. Maybe that's what it is. You try everything but prayer. Sorry, you need to try prayer. Even if the girl is big and she won't leave you alone so you can continue your life with a new girl, pray about it. Pray for God to cast away this demon out of your life so you can get the new baddest bitch in Scarborough. Me getting you have to pray about it. If you don't pray, then everything, it is imperative that you know that there is something higher than you operating every day. You are not the biggest or the most intelligent creature of this universe. Remember that. You don't control nothing. You stand there, both you save, both you plan, both you budget, both you make a long-term goal. God laughs when anybody plans. You didn't know that? You want to make God laugh? Plan your life. Plan it and say this is what you're going to do. Plan your life like that way. That is what gives God a chuckle. Okay? So me getting it's imperative that you understand that you have to incorporate a higher source in what you're doing. You think that you get up, you make a decision, and because you never do something right, you never get the job. No, sweetie, there's something higher than you. But because your head too big and your ego too big, you feel like you control this. I know you. You ever get shocked by electricity? Can you see electricity? No, but when it's shocking, you know it's there. Don't? Okay, that's how God's there. You don't listen to him, because shock the blood clot out of you. And you can't see it, but you know it's there because you feel it. God is like electricity, it's like current. Where if you don't have no current, you can't operate nothing. But you cannot hold it, you cannot see it. But if you touch it, if you make a connection with it, it will shock you. If you don't incorporate prayer every day, all your efforts will go in vain. You're going to end up abandoning every project. Because you feel like nothing now work. People now support you. You are not supporting Allah. You are not supporting Jah. So how do you expect the masses to support you when you're not supporting something who is greater than you? What's happened if you do decide to go up on your knees and ask for prayer? I'm sorry, I am not a godly woman. The Fool card, me getting you get deliverance. You're gonna feel like weight get lifted off of your shoulder. You're gonna feel the possibility that you can start over. Cause what? All things are possible through Christ, which strengthens me. So me getting because you didn't pray, you feel aloof, you feel like you can't move. You know, we're one place, you know, stuck one place. They've not have you under a blood clot lock and key, right? You know, stuck one place and can't move, can't leave, can't go out, can't do nothing. Me getting you feel lighter, but you have to pray. Not only you have to pray for what you want, you have to pray to God for forgiveness for all of the sins that you have committed and you have yet to ask for it to be addressed. Pray for everything you're doing in the past and pray for protection in the future. I wouldn't even tell you to pray for what you want, because that is asking God for too much, being that you have not spoken to him in a very long time. You need to make sure that God, or whatever you believe in, and if you don't believe in nothing, make nothingness be the start of your day. You don't believe in God, sit on a blood clot silence for 20 minutes then, for the start of your day. And you will believe in nothing and start your day in the eyes of nothingness. But you have to start your day with something greater than you. Because enough people never wake up today. Enough people never wake up today, Leo. So even though you may be a scholar, you have overlooked the possibility of worshiping something higher than you. And you might say, but scholars don't worship anything higher than them. The only thing that is higher than us is the solar system. No. That thing inside of you will operate your body, will make your body move. And then when you're dead, and the thing there will fly out of your body, and you're just left with a body, that is what we cannot prove with science. Science cannot prove that. Science can prove this, but that little thing inside of we that make we talk and walk and operate and think when we're dead, and that leaves our body, science cannot prove that. Science can prove what is left of us. You have to understand that you have to incorporate something that is bigger than you before you start your day and before you try to go to any goals. So you always say, thank God for this. And if you can't thank God, you thank Beyonce. Okay, let's continue reading. And what is your universal direction? The Six of Cups. Yeah, show thankfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning. I don't even know where that song just came from. Yeah, the church walls. You will develop a better relationship with yourself and with God. And with practicing your relationship with God, you can practice your relationship with other people. You talk to God every day, well, you don't talk to your girlfriend every day either. Do you show God appreciation for waking up this morning? Oh, but you never tell your girlfriend thank you for texting this morning. You practice with God how you want to treat people. Because without God in being incorporated in your daily life, then you will feel like a statue without a soul in it. And you will be there as a display for all other human beings to see, while you abandoned yourself because you wanted people to see you for the exteriority of what you are and not for the humble servant of the Lord that is inside of you. Can I get an amen? Thank you so much. Let's get some of these and we're done. We have PhD. Doctors, lawyers, even if you're a blood clot scientist, make spirituality, religion, or something a part of your morning routine. You cannot get up in the day, brush your teeth, put on your clothes, and go for save life, and you never pray about yours. You're so, oh, I have to go to the ER now. Oh, okay, let me put on my... You did pray about your life today? What happened if something happened to you and a doctor have to operate on you? You're saving lives every day. And I know my doctors can fall guilty to this. You save life every day, so you play God. You play God in a people's life every day. You have the power to say yes. You have the power to say no. You have the power to see if this person can get the next heart transplant. Doctors, we have to know, we have to start in the day with prayer. Starting the day with something bigger than you know. Even though you are medically trained to save a life, physically, you are not medically trained to save a life mentally. The spirit, you are not trained on the spirit. You're trained on the physicality of what it is. That's why when men say them feel like a woman, or a woman say them feel like a man, it don't care, the doctor don't give a fuck. Because you are not trained on the spirit aspect of what happens here. You're trained on the physical. You're trained on symptoms. If there is a symptom manifesting, then there's something causing it. That's what you're trained on. That's why the doctors can give you medication for suicide thoughts, but what happens to majority of those who have lost their life committing suicide, where the doctors couldn't intervene? Because you are trained on the physical aspect, not on the mental. So we have PhD, we have the World card, we have F them all, and we have awards. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.